One salary is not the problem. The real problem is depending on only one source of income. Because the moment something goes wrong, your entire financial stability is at risk. So naturally, you start thinking, how can I earn extra money after work? But here's where most people get stuck. They try different ideas, but they can't find clients. And without clients, there is no income. Now here's the interesting part, what if you could start earning extra money using a skill you already have? No new profession. No big investment. Just your language skills. In this video, I'll show you how to build a side income with interpretation, and most importantly, how to find real clients step by step. Intro. Many people believe that making extra money requires either a big investment or learning a completely new skill. But in reality, you can often use what you already have. If you speak a foreign language, communicate well with people, and take responsibility seriously, you already have a valuable skill. The problem is not the skill. The problem is turning that skill into income. And that happens only when you understand how to find clients. 1. Why interpretation is a perfect side income. Interpretation is not only for conferences or large corporate events. There are many small opportunities, business meetings, tourists, online calls, private clients. Most of these jobs are short. And that's exactly why they are perfect after work. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to use your free time more strategically. 2. Start before you feel ready. Most people wait too long. They think, I'll start when I feel ready. But that moment rarely comes. Progress comes from action. Simple plan. Evaluate your level honestly. Start with simple jobs. Focus on gaining experience. At the beginning, you're not building income. You're building trust and experience. And those will bring income later. 3. How to find clients, most important part. Now let's talk about the real game. Not skill. Not knowledge. Clients. Because without clients, nothing works. Core principle. Clients don't appear randomly. They respond to visibility. If people don't see you, they won't hire you. 1. Your network, fastest first step. Your first client is usually someone close to you. Tell people directly, I provide interpretation services. Don't assume they already know. Example. A friend says, we have a foreign guest visiting. And suddenly, you have your first job. 2. Social media, free client machine. Your profile is your business card. If it doesn't clearly say what you do, you lose opportunities. What to do? Write clearly, interpretation services. Post simple offers. Share short introduction videos. Example post. Azerbaijani, English interpretation. For business meetings, tourists, and online calls. Strategy. Be consistent. Post at least once a week. Remind people that you exist. 3. Messaging strategy, this is key. Most people wait for clients. That's a mistake. You should also reach out. Simple message. Hello, I provide interpretation services. If you have meetings with foreign clients, I'd be happy to help. Why this works? It's simple. It's clear. It solves the problem. 4. Telegram and WhatsApp groups. This is one of the fastest ways to get your first jobs. Join groups where people post opportunities. What to do? Stay active. Respond quickly. Be clear and professional. Example. Someone posts, looking for a translator. You respond immediately. Speed equals advantage. 5. Freelance platforms, long-term growth. These platforms help you build a consistent flow of clients. What to do? Create a strong profile. Start with small jobs. Collect reviews. At first, your price may be low. That's not a problem. It's your entry point. 6. Real-life opportunities, hidden gold. Many people ignore this. But real life is full of opportunities. Places, hotels, tourist areas, events. Example: a tourist needs help. You help them. Then you offer your service. Simple, natural, effective. 7. Direct outreach to businesses, pro level. This is where things scale. Target: tourism companies, export businesses, companies with foreign clients. Action: send short, clear messages. Offer a solution. Key idea: don't wait for clients. Go to them. Key takeaway: don't wait. Don't rely on luck. Be visible. Be active. Make offers. 4. How to increase your income. At the beginning, you earn less. That's normal. Over time you gain experience, you take better jobs, you specialize. Specialization examples: business meetings, legal interpretation, medical interpretation. Core idea: higher value equals higher income. 5. Balance with your main job. Don't burn out. This is a side business. Rules: work in your free time, don't overload yourself, protect quality. Your main job stays stable. Your side income grows gradually. 6. Long-term growth. Over time, this can become much bigger. You can build a client base, get repeat customers, create a small agency. Small steps become big systems. Conclusion: if you depend on one income source, you are exposed to risk. But if you use your skills, start small, and stay consistent, you can build extra income. Final thought: your skill creates potential, but clients create income. Engagement. Where are you right now? A. You know a language but haven't started. B. You already started but can't find clients. Comment A or B. If you want more practical strategies to build real income, subscribe to the channel.